What if learning didn't start with theory, but with touch? At STEM Learning, we turn classrooms into spaces of creation, where children build what they once only read about. For these students, each kit is more than a project. It's a moment of wonder, a turbine, a solar lamp, built with their own hands, remembered forever. This isn't just science, it's confidence, it's community. With CSR partners by our side, STEM Learning brings hands-on innovation to schools that need it most. From Himalayan towns to tribal belts, our kits spark minds in over 500 schools. Because talent doesn't wait for access, it grows where it's nurtured. What we see is not just improvement, it's a shift from passive to powerful, from listening to doing. This is real, this is measurable. This is how STEM becomes accessible. One child, one idea, one model at a time. The future isn't waiting, it's building itself in classrooms like these. Partner with STEM Learning. Empower India's young minds to imagine, create, and lead.